It's AG Studios 2345 with my first design for the new Liberty Jane design contest for New Year's 2011. This is my design, and so I'm going to describe it for you guys. So first we have this cute hat up here. I couldn't fit it on the head. And it's purple, and it has a cute little belt thingy. And then there are these dark destroyed skinny jeans, and they're very cute. They have little ruffles at the bottom. And then there are golden Converse. And then there's one of those new like hangy vesty things. And then you come onto the shirt, and it has these dark blue sleeves with light blue thingamabobs, and it has a dark blue collar. It says 2011, and it has a little heart. So yeah, that is my design. Hope you like it. Bye.
If you only knew what the future holds, after a hurricane comes a rainbow.